Today I'll show you how to update the Figma desktop app so you're always using the latest version. The process is quick and works the same for both Windows and Mac. Start by opening your web browser and going to Figma's website. Log in using your account details. Once you're logged in, you'll see the Figma home screen where all your files and recent projects are listed. Next, look at the top right corner and click on your profile icon. From the menu that appears, choose the option to get the desktop app. This page always provides the most recent version of Figma, so you don't need to worry about version numbers manually. Now select your operating system, either Windows or Mac, and click the Download button. The installer will start downloading automatically. When the download finishes, open your Downloads folder and locate the installer file. Double-click the file to run it and follow the on-screen instructions. In most cases, you can simply click through the setup steps. If your system asks for permission, allow it so the update can complete properly. Once the installation finishes, open the Figma desktop app. It will now be updated with the latest features, performance improvements, and bug fixes. That's all there is to it. Updating Figma regularly helps ensure a smoother design experience and access to new tools as soon as they're released. Thanks for listening, and happy designing!